welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with RPG again, and then everything is branded. And when I open the box, I see this information card just pretty much explaining about the wig that we're about to get into today, which is going to be a Maxipart 10x6 glueless lace closure wig. Okay, so it's showing you, just images of how the construction is. And so let's get into it. So this is our wig, which we're gonna get into in a few. Always so gorgeous. Like, literally, when you talk about RPG show, it's like luxury. Okay, so I got this branded elastic headband. I also got, the cute, they do everything so professionally. So they put your invoice in this little envelope, and then I got a pair of wig caps. I got a flyaway tamer. I got some lace tapes in case you should need them for your glueless install. And lastly, a storage bag, so you have more storage to put your wig away in. And that's everything that came in to today's package. So let's get into the wig. This is RPGSHOW's wavy dark brown with caramel blonde money piece highlights Maxipart glueless lace closure wig. Now I'm gonna put all the specifications to this wig down below, but I need you guys to get into this. This is a closure wig, but you have so much space working with. It's absolutely stunning. It's a tinted 10x6 transparent Swiss lace closure, by the way. All right, and the length of this wig is 20 inches long. I'm gonna put the specific density and all of that down below. All right, it's 180% in density. Inside of the cap looks like this. It has this elastic band, which is branded. You can remove it if you wish. They also have, 3 combs on the inside of the cap, which are removable, but they're really strong. Like, yeah, so you can go ahead and remove them if you wish, or leave them in. I like to leave at least the back one in because it really does help with security, and the ear portion does have that curvature to accommodate your ear, which helps the wig to sit even more comfortable on your head. And the knots are bleached. Everything is already pre-customized for you. The wig is very nice and flat. It is pre-plucked. It's always very professional quality wigs at RPGSHOW, so absolutely love that. Oh, by the way, for this cap, it's also a drawstring, so that makes it even better with security. All you need to do is just go ahead and adjust it to how you need it to be, and you're good to go. That's literally all you need to do, and it will sit exactly how you want it to. So I love that kind of construction. So yeah, that's how we're looking. We're gonna definitely go ahead and jump into this very quick and easy glueless install, which is very much suitable for my beginners. I always love giving you guys a good beginner friendly wig option. So let's get into it. The lace space is so big, you might almost mistake it to be a lace front, but no, it is still a closure. So I love the convenience of that. You don't have to worry about, the sides giving too much problem, because it's more secure, being that it's a closure wig. This wig already comes perfectly styled, and that's the RPGSHOW wig for you. So get used to the convenience, So before I go any further, I'm gonna cut away the excess lace in the front. Be sure to not cut in on the hair, so just take your time and carefully cut away that extra lace.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming.
I need you guys to see how beautifully, how undetectable this lace is. Swiss lace, you can't go wrong. Like, huh? And it's completely glueless. completely glueless, guys. Like, get into that. It's beautiful, man. All I'm gonna do is kind of like just get the top a little flatter, and you have such large parting space. Do bear in mind that you guys could go ahead and you could get a nice deep side part with this. You know, you could go get a nice deep side part, or you could style it differently, like, you know, if you want to do a ponytail or something in the mid portion. Yeah, that's really cute. Yeah, that's really nice. That's convenient. So feel free to go ahead and explore with different styles. So I'm just gonna get my hot comb and I'm gonna get this like laid like even flatter.
Driven in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
What? I absolutely love this wig. I didn't have to do anything to it regarding styling. Now if you want to go in, you could go ahead and, you know, reposition it like the curls and stuff, which I actually think I'm gonna do. But I'm loving the effortless vibes, like these effortless waves in it. Like, look at that. This is exactly how it comes out of the package. Yeah. No product needed. I just went ahead and slipped this on. Oh, by the way, let me show you guys how to adjust the drawstring in the back once the wig is on your head once more. So you just go ahead, you ensure that the comb is, you know, secured in the back, and then you literally take the like knob here and just adjust it to your liking, how tight you want it to be. And then I take the string and I tuck it beneath the cap. And that's literally it. That makes it like 5 times more secure. Like, it's super secure, it's not going anywhere. Let me do a shake test. It's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. It's very secure on the head. Like, absolutely love that. I love the way this just falls. Oh my gosh. Now, as I said, I'm just gonna go on, I'm just gonna get in the front and kind of just touch up the curls like here. Yeah, that's it. And then we're pretty much done with the install, guys. The install is literally like 5 seconds. It's so easy. It is so easy, so quick, so convenient. Perfect for all the people that don't have that type of time in the world to do hair, but you gotta look well groomed. You like to keep your image up to par, you know, but you just don't have the time to go to the salon. You're not experienced into like installing wigs. This wig is perfect for you. Okay, you don't necessarily just need to get a headband wig or, you know, a half wig for it to be easy for you to wear. No, you can get you a full-on closure wig, a Swiss lace closure wig like this, and you're good to go. So I'm just gonna touch up the, even though I really don't have to, like, I really don't have to, but I feel like I want it to be even more, like, I want to refresh these curls just a little.
Oh, magic. off the sky onto my.
That is lovely. I love the little like peekaboo vibe with the blonde streak in the front. Yeah, I love that. So that's how we're looking, and that's pretty much it for our wig look today. So easy, so to the point, so quick. Yeah, I know you guys will love this. Like, and it's not heavy, as it's 180% in density, very realistic, very believable, you know. Yeah, it's giving everything it's supposed to give. Yeah, I love it. So if you guys are interested in something like this, of course you guys know I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this video in my description box, so go ahead, check that out. All the specifications are listed. If I have a code, any discount, anything like that, it will be listed as well. But that's it for today's wig look. I hope you guys found this informative, and shout out to RPG Show once more for this gorgeous wig look. Yeah, they did their thing. But yeah, that's it for today, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.